give you a 9.
Sa inyo, sa acapella nyo, perfect
10.
10.
Perfect 10. Oo. That's our comment pa. Gerard Salonga pa.
Wow!
I have to grade that.
Oh my God,
Ganon sila. Even stood up, like the 3 judges. I was like, oh my God. I can't get that image out of my head.
Hala, umutot ako, sorry.
Kahit ano, Sir Louis was just riding at first and just ganon, like that, and then like, Bernie ba? And then Gerard Salonga was like, my God. The faces were like,
Uy, bakit ako hindi ako makatawa sa mga ano?
And then sabi ni Gerard, if I had to check that
Bernie
now,
Varga nga, di ba?
that is a perfect. He goes, I give that a 10. I was like, oh my God, I just can't believe it.
Si Bernie Varga, sabi niya, I'll give you. Sabi niya gano'n, diba? No? Hindi talaga siya makapasay. 9! Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi ko talaga gano'n.
Si
Bernie Varga, yung judges kagabi. I'll give you, sabi niya gano'n.
I'll spice up your life.
Oo, sabi niya. Bago niya talaga sabi niya, 9! Sabi niya.
You know, we
sabi
made
9.
major progress from the first day. Seeing Iñaki and Laarni in one bed. I mean, like sitting near each other. That's how much we've grown. Seriously.
Wow!
Yeah, and that's how much we've shrunk also.
Yeah.
Inyaksi, raise me up.
Yeah.
Stay na live, stay na live. September para September.
Anong sabi niya sa'yo? Anong sabi niya sa'yo?
Kasi I just got in, I was sweaty, and then I was fixing my lapels. So, how was it, guys? How was it? It was okay.
Yeah.
You know how she does it.
Oh my goodness!
Yun may ganun na ba?
Iñak.
Iñaki, sorry.
Iñak.
Alam mo, Iñaki, sobrang ganda talaga ng song mo. When you raise me.
Sabi na niya ako,
Ganun ba? Salamat pero hindi yun yung kinanta ko. Ano bang channel yung pinapanood nyo? Iba yung...
sabi niya, ang ganda talaga kasi hindi yun ang kinanta ko eh. Visit.
Panali.
Hassel. May tulog talaga
Arnie,
to
it's a
kahit
classic.
kailan.
That's classic La Arnie. It's so funny.
Pero huwag niyo gisingin si Van.
Yung natural woman. Yung dito, nagkapasa talaga ako dun sa kantang yun.
Ikaw ba naman mag-slip and slide dun sa garden? Bakit natatahimik ka?
Oh, she said. Joe.
Space out na.
Ano yung kanta yan? Explain nyo naman.
Yung
Ang
song
kanta natin.
Yan yung
Song
kakantay
yung
natin
bukas,
sa class.
oh. Alala mo.
Lahat ng girls,
Pati boys.
ko alam mo because of you.
pati yung boys.
Hindi ko yun, anong turuan mo?
Di wala? Neo?
Want to, but I can't help it. I love the way you feel.
I wonder when we're going to choose our songs.
For next week, the showstopper? If it's showstopper, they already chose.
Kaya na tayo.
We have to choose!
I'm a dresser.
See, I forget that thing put back in my vocals.
You know why? Because
Doesn't
song
live
choice is
in
so
Promise,
crazy.
hindi na ako kakain.
If they choose, like, this is gonna happen to me again.
But remember, no,
the answer.
8, 10, 11.
No.
May tatlo pa.
chose it for you. Who? Upstairs.
Yeah, upstairs.
Oh, I did my Sharia more. That was.
Believe me, that wasn't Mentor's choice because Direct Joey didn't know the songs that we
Actually,
were
no.
doing.
Mr. C pulled me aside and said, I chose that song personally for you.
I don't know, but then, you know, sometimes it's really... Actually, no, not sometimes. It's really song choice. Really.
But I think you did fine on Kiss.
If it's Showstopper, I want to do Forever.
What's that?
By Chris Brown, don't we do it in a dance class?
Ah. Forever.
It's you and me
Forever.
moving at the speed of light into eternity. 'Cause tonight is the night.
Ako din, mag-win.
Join me in the middle of ecstasy. Feel the melody and the rhythm of the music around you. Around you. I'ma take you there. I'ma take you there. Don't be scared. I'm right here.